Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about my family room as well as the formal living area. Because in winter months, I like to switch things around. I want to make this two room nice and cozy because this is where we spend our most of the time. So there is a few changes I made and I'm going to show you there. It's so easy to do it. So you don't have to make like drastic change in order to get the cozy room. So let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna start with the sofa. As you can see, it is the leather sofa. It do get very cold. So I switch out all my pillows and I do have the different shade of the beige pillow here because I think the beige is very neutral. Of course, it's very inviting and warm color. So this big pillow, I bought it from Bed Bath Beyond, and if I can find it, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. But it is the velvety material, so it is very comfortable. So my kids love to sit here, hug this pillow and watch TV at night. Also, I do have the blanket. Now this blanket, again, it is the velvet material. I bought it from Home Goods. Very comfortable, and it just adds the texture as well as the layer on the sofa. So as you can see on this side table, I do have the humidifier. Especially in the winter months, humidifier is a must in every single room, especially if you have the kids, because that's where the air gets dry and we get coughing as well as the skin get really dry too. So this humidifier, it is from Levoit. It is cool mist humidifier, and especially guys, if you have the young kids, be careful when you use the humidifier and use the cool mist humidifier just like what I'm using here and not the hot one, because we had really bad experience when my younger son was just started learning to crawl. We had the humidifier in his room. It was the hot mist, and of course, as you can see, the mist is coming out. The kids are fascinated about it. He went and tried to grab it, and of course it was hot and he got burned on his fingers. So always go with the cool humidifier mist and not the hot one. The best part about this humidifier, it has a 4.5 liter capacity. So it's gonna last you almost 2 days once you fill up the water tank. It's really easy to fill the water, as well as it has a 3 different mist setting. So once you turn it on first, the light is gonna be blue, so that means it's on now. The second setting is the medium and the light will be yellow, and the third one is the purple. That means the mist is gonna be on highest, and that's what I have right now. Also, once the water level goes down, it's gonna shut up by itself and the light is gonna be red. So that means you need to fill up the water in there. The best part about this that I really like it is there is no noise at all. So as you can see right now, I don't have any other noise going on, and I'm gonna just be quiet for a second so you can hear it. So as you saw, there is no noise at all, and the best part about this, it has the thing where you can add your essential oil, so your entire room will smell so good. So here I do have the eucalyptus oil, which I'm just gonna put some drops there, and within a few minutes the entire floor smells so good. And this humidifier was sent to me by Levoit, so thank you so much Levoit for sending me this. Also, if you guys have remember, I do have this Himalayan salt lamp. It was also sent by the Levoit. So I love their product so much. I'm also going to link this one as well as the humidifier down below in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. So moving down to the other sofa, as you can see on that one, all I have is one pillow as well as the blanket, because that sofa is compared to the other one, it's a smaller size. So I didn't want to cramp so many other pillows on that. So I just kept it one pillow as well as the one blanket. Now that blanket is the same as the other one material wise, but it's a different shade of the brown. So as you can see, I'm playing with the brown as well as the cream color here because that goes with my decor, as well as it match with the rug down there. So everything kind of ties together, and somehow, as I mentioned before, brown color, cream color is just so inviting, so comfortable, and it just look elegant. So that's the reason I'm playing with this neutral color, especially during the winter when I want my room to be nice and cozy. So let's talk about this ottoman in the middle. I can use this ottoman for many different things. As you can see, I do have some Christmas decoration right now. And in case if you have missed my Christmas decoration house tour video, I'm going to link it down below in the description box. You must watch that video because I had lots of fun decorating the house. So I can use this ottoman as a coffee table, or let's say if I had the guest over, I need some extra seating, I can pull this wherever I want to because that has a wheel underneath. Also, we use it at night time, like we pull it toward the sofa, we put our feet on it and just relax and watch TV. And on this side, I do have this foot massager. I bought that from Amazon. And especially at nighttime, you know, at the end of the day, you are tired, your feet is tired, and you just basically roll your feet back and forth and it massage your feet and it felt really good. On this two chair, I have a huge one big throw. So whoever is sitting there, they can use same throw because it's really big one. So that's the only thing I have on this side. And of course, you cannot have the cozy room without the fireplace. I love this fireplace so much because it is electric, so I don't have to worry about cleaning or anything. You just turn it on and turn it off, and that's about it. But of course, it feels so nice and cozy and warm once you have this fireplace on. So here in the formal living area, as you can see, I do have the sofa as well as the velvet pillows. Something about the velvet material that it just look very elegant as well as the classy. So here I'm using the blue color velvet pillows because that goes with my decoration. So in case if you have missed my house tour video, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box so you can see my entire house. Also, I'm using the red color pillows here because of the Christmas. But once the Christmas is over, I'm gonna switch those pillows out and the pillow in the middle always stay there. You guys always like that pillow too. I bought that from Pier 1 Imports, and the good thing about that, it lights up at night, so it looks really nice. On this other side, on this chair, again, I'm using the velvet pillows as well as I decided to put only one blanket on one chair and not the both of them because most of the time I sit here in the morning to have a cup of chai. I do have this small ottoman right here in the middle and the tray that has the Christmas tree right now. That tray usually I put it on this ottoman, so in case if I had the guest over, they can put their drink there. Also on this council table, I do have the Christmas decoration right now, but of course once the Christmas is over, I'm gonna switch that with some other decoration. So friends, this is it. This is how my formal living as well as the family room looks like right now. It is very comfortable, it's very cozy as well as very inviting. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.